It's an artificial Big Thomas kiddie ride. Hang on. You just heard the message. We're on really low volume, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. It's on a very quiet volume. It's not going over there already filmed. You might not see it. Volume's very low. Remember Arch Mitchell in 1994, unlicensed to British Thomas Limited. No! You're so loud, Bobby Builder. You can say it's mute. I might have to hold it like this actually. See Thomas? His face is different compared to the other ones. Before you ask, I'm going to rewrite on it. Man, record this one right before you ask. Yeah, it's on no volume, I'm afraid. And the light doesn't work, unfortunately. Okay, sign there. Hang on, let's hear it better. See there? Get a scoop over there. Get off the Arch Mitchell Big Thomas kiddie ride.